Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel. Kajan Gwas metekon ka breaking news ka quiz of Sudanese still a refugee tintere wish ka kiinya ka kakuma kam. Take a report je kono lingane Gwas e chika barartin ke chika benrar ka demonstration news kana nite konte la jeyu anan go ken shush kan ka kwimiat la mietta la ja ka therapeutic go. And taman wala ka shanga dioka pa diokron kin dangro jan dangro de chatwa gono shiga nyoko barar kan gwasamo shi police ni tin koni la police ni tintere which kakuma kam la police ni Kenya chicken natin konti la refugee South Sudanese refugee chicken ka barka match ajan dana balinga jan gwasame mi jiram jedit Kanwar online TV channel gor jeno jinder jinyo nasir ko ken ko de la rete de kan inshallah chu golten gor kon kan o de ko ten ka jan ler me bana jeling ka thoknath ke nyam ko kora ban jeling ka thok English ko gor kon no bajeling ne dialten konten ka tin kon lat ko rodin ray wichin wina mi ka kuma kam jaler gor no ban wa yena makel na me ler bej ay shirkam nen yana moka turo gwata me shik brar ke peng mi dira long news ken ji yu no ken shush ken ki tala kwen ki tala pir ko mas ken ke en wala ray wisha ka kiinya ka kuma kam she chinaitung wan chika barar wishar ni the content refugees chika barar chika oka UN ke muktam UN and content tere wichin winami ka kuma kam news kan ji wan no nation church ko tele kwan charong kwan chaja ngok medan kwan te ka 45% tam chaya nang 45 ka 40% anyok jen tele piu ka chala kan ni content la kwar kem kan go che kwan chadak nyo de gwanu katada na chiji United Nation chikan lok chikan ngoka ja ana mo sheka feka mane kamten content en winami chika ka kuma kam ga jan gwasame chirega di chatokten man chakolat gwasame me chika braro chatogo no shi Nathan content la police ni chikan me chikan ka dwanyal ko kene cha muktam ken chinauten ka bom la Nathan content la refugees ko wa ko ko no lenga joda ki lo ka ne duno shikana no and gwata mo kwer dan en la kwer en cap cam wajen che polin che chu chol chu kana chu dwach lai bullet ke match ka doy ken kaman minute ka wa gwata mo che karam kel kana berjida ko do brana chalat ke jam en me kene de content tegari ga mane kene de content re mo chu ka kene de content la South Sudanese ngai kona gwano en winemi te ne de ngwan te kare kem ka you know en Kenya ki ka kuma kem te South Sudanese tikatin riunen ngwan majority ke South Sudanese te Somali nitin te Congolese tin te Burundi anitin te la refugee ka kuma kam na me mutwok are wichin winami antama ne te ngwan ka mutwok antama wachi ne ngwan chikan ga dakdor ka ta dana chikana chikan ka barkaja arama cha berji de kwal kujeno dong mi arama teki arama chitek duno mentin o chikoro mo chatwok ki chika refugee chikan ga bar refugee chiren cho barba kan wuka lo a peaceful demonstration but do know she ne ko la police ne tintere wika Kenya ka kuma kam chikan jaka jaka midit lo chikana chikan ka moy ka borten are rikana mane da me janan gode nyodja baje kwenya ka tok English ko biaje ko le ngwa ko tanin ngwa sama kan kalat. The Kenyan government has reportedly deployed police to Kakuma refugee camp to disperse demonstration by thousands of hunger-stricken refugees protesting the sharp reduction in food assistance from UN agencies. South Sudanese community leaders at the camp said on Monday the situation was tense after the Kenyan police fired a live and rubber bullet at the protesting refugee, injuring some individuals. The Kakuma camp has been hosting South Sudanese, which are majority, followed by Somalis, Congolese, and Burundi refugees. The vulnerable population forces to flee their home countries over a war of disaster. We staged a demonstration in front of the camp management after going 5 days without water amid acute food shortages and inadequate health care. Cornelius Kaka, a South Sudanese refugee leaders in Kakuma, said that police has dispersed the protesters this morning. We went and fought with those people in their office because things are not okay and they refuse to give us our right. They refuse to listen to us, and the deputy camp manager pushed us by force in using of the police forces, Kaka said. They shot on the person in in his stomach, and they run with him because they are using live bullets. Now we are scattered due to the using of the bullets, and all this because of the food ratio, and refugees refuse that. Thousands of refugees were protesting outside the main entrance of the UN High Commissioner's sub-office in Kakuma on March 3, demanding urgent relief for the lack of food, water, and what they describe as an unfair treatment. According to Kakuma News Reflectors, an independent news magazine run by